No, this is for the Windrush generation, and generation. And I'm still angry. Thank you very much. My name is Lynn. I thank you. And I wish we all could get together so we could stand as one and show the way we feel. Eh? You know, when, I forget to tell you this. When we put the key in the door, when we're coming from work, and put the key in the door can't open. What? It frosts up too much. And let me tell you this. I don't know if I should say this on the thing. But let me tell you this. All right. We have to put the milk on the window ledge for it to keep. And put the jelly, when we make the jelly for the children that are coming from school, from church, we have to put it on the window ledge for it to make. And that's what it happened. We never have telly, we never have phone or anything. That is how it was. And a lot of us left poor, and scrub the floor to reach this stage. And now they're taking us and sending home. I tell you, we need to campaign together. We need to campaign together. Look, I'm in my wheelchair. Anytime when you're ready, I want to call me. Yes? Call me. I'm in my wheelchair. I'm ready to go. Thank you very much.
Amen. Thank you very much, Lynn. And despite you being upset, I do hope that the Lord will calm your spirit to know that the Windrush Generation has a voice, has a campaigner in you. So thank you very much, Lambeth Champion. You are definitely living up to your champion name.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. And thank you very much.
Bye-bye.